How to get two WhatsApp apps on your mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can get two WhatsApp apps on your mobile. That means you can use two WhatsApp accounts at the same time. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open up your mobile settings. And once you're on your mobile settings, now you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom. And guys, I want to ask you something. After watching this video, if you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And once you're on your mobile settings, now here you will get advanced features, so tap on it. And after that, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you'll get a dual messenger, tap on it. And then here you'll get WhatsApp, so enable this toggle. And then here you can see that install a second copy of WhatsApp, tap on install. And as you can see that my second copy WhatsApp installed. Now I'm going to show you. Right now on my mobile I have two WhatsApp apps on my mobile. So that's how you can get two WhatsApp apps on your mobile. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.